We will very quickly cover irregular Portuguese verbs under both the future and conditional in this lesson. There are only 3 verbs in Portuguese that are irregular under the future and conditional. The future and conditional stems are irregular, but the endings remain regular. The future and conditional conjugations for fazer: farei, farás, fará, faremos, fareis, farão, faria, farias, faria, faríamos, farieis, faria. The future and conditional conjugations for dizer: direi, dirás, dirá, diremos, direis, dirão, diria, dirias, diria, diríamos, dirieis, diriam. And the future and conditional conjugations for trazer: trarei, trarás, trará, traremos, trareis, trarão, traria, trarias, traria, trariamos, trarieis, trariam. And that's it, a very quick summary of irregular Portuguese verbs under both the future and conditional. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.